Good morning, students. Mr. Murphy here. So I'm making a tips and tricks video. Here we're watching Old Faithful, so maybe it'll blow up while we're going. But tips and tricks. So I want to make sure that you pass math. I don't want to make math hard. I don't want to make this class suck. I want to make sure that you pass and learn. Actually, I really care if you learn. I don't care if you pass. So to do that, you need, here's some tips and tricks. Show up. Show up to class, turn on the camera, pay attention. That was in my other video. All of that stuff. Take some notes, answer questions, right? Beyond that, every day I'm making a math notes page and I've shared it in the resources and I emailed it out yesterday. So read that, okay? Go over the notes what we did. We're doing a flipped classroom. Watch the videos. If you have time, watch them all. You can speed them up, watch them fast. It's okay. Just get that exposure to what we're learning. Then when we get into class and we're going to do the work, get your work out. If you've got a student workbook, they've told me they're giving you student workbooks, pull it out. Do the problems. If you understand how to do them, you're going to pass. If you don't understand how to do them, you have teachers in your classroom, me, and sometimes a co-teacher, to help you out. That's what we're doing in class today. So you're watching the video before class, in class, you're sitting down doing the work, you're shouting out a question or asking it in the chat or G-chatting with somebody and getting it all done. So you've got that 50 minutes in class to make sure you understand it. You take an exit slip and we're doing the homework in class and take an exit slip at the end. If you don't have it, you've got that hour and a half before school every day. That's when you're supposed to be watching the videos and getting a little practice in, okay? If you can't pass the stuff, take it again and again and again until you pass it. But if you didn't pass it the first time, you can't just pull it up and take it again. You have to restudy the material. Go to the math notes and read them. If you don't understand them, ask them. Send me a message. Say, hey, Mr. Murphy, I don't quite understand this. Can you help me out? I will be more than happy to do that for you, okay? So you're studying the notes, you're retaking the notes, you're retaking tests, and you're restudying before you take the test. And then if you're still not getting it, come to office hours. I can help you. A lot of students struggle with math. It's normal. And if you've missed a lot of school, if you've switched schools a lot, if you have been just a bad student in math and you haven't tried in the past, you're missing a lot of skills. Math builds on skills. So what we learned in kindergarten goes to first grade and goes to second grade and third grade, etc. So if you've missed some of those skills, you need to pick those skills up. Khan Academy does it, CK12, ST Math, all of those things are designed to reteach you those skills. So go ahead and do them. Make sure you understand it. You're going to have to do that on your own time, because if you missed it in class in years past, that was the time to learn it. So now you've got to take your own time to do it. Just like I'm doing. Every night I spend 2 hours studying for a class in computers because I want to get another degree in computers. So I could have done this in my 20s when I was in college. I could have taken computer science. It was brand new then. And I had a neighbor in my dorm who was doing it. But I didn't do it. And now I'm like, shoot, I should have done it then. I would have had 30 years experience in computers and be making $300,000 a year or something. But you know, that's life. Now I'm teaching and having fun teaching, but I want to get a little more experience in computers, maybe move into some ed tech stuff. Okay? All right, it's been almost 5 minutes and Old Faithful has not blown yet. I don't know how long it takes to blow, but we're going to take off. Enjoy.